Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy tablets during Republic Day sale, so they are asking me about the actual date of sale. We all know that Flipkart and Amazon offer exciting deals on Republic Day sale. This year also you will get discounts on various tablets as well as on iPads. This year the Republic Day sale will commence on 13th of January 2026 and it will last till 21st of January 2026. But if you are planning to buy any tablet, you must buy that tablet at the earliest opportunity because the price will increase gradually and you will have no chance of buying that tablet at the discounted price point. So I think you should buy any tablet you are buying. If you get the best deals, buy that tablet just at the midnight when the sale will start, and you will be benefited, and there will be card discounts. And I think from flipkart.com you will get discounts on cards like Axis Bank credit card, ICICI Bank credit card and HDFC Bank credit card. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy any tablet from Amazon.in, in that case maybe SBI credit card or ICICI Bank credit card will be eligible for discounts. I think you should not buy any tablet without credit card, because if you buy any tablet without credit card, in that case you may have to pay around 2 to 3,000 rupees extra. And if you can't avail the benefits of credit card, I think you will not get any kind of discount. And if you are not aware about the best price of tablets, I have made many videos. Check out those videos and you will have a clearer idea about the price point of tablets, and you can buy according to your budget and price point. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy any tablet in the Republic Day sale 2026 or not. And if you have already bought any tablet, feel free to ask me if you have questions regarding that tablet. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.